In front of me is XIAOMI 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, select one of your apps like Play Store and click on the home button. Then tap on the square one and hold your app. Over here, select this icon with two rectangles and select the other app, like Gallery. As you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards and tap home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!